Hi there, welcome back to Realty Solutions. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more real estate tips and guides. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to sell your home without a real estate agent. We'll cover everything you need to know to take control of your home sale and save on those hefty agent commissions. It might seem daunting at first, but with the right plan and a little bit of elbow grease, you can transform something from drab to fab and come out on top. So whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, stick with me and I promise we'll break down this process into manageable steps. Let's dive right in. Alright y'all, let's start with the fun part, getting your home ready for its big debut. Just like staging a home for a magazine shoot, we want to showcase your house in the best possible light. The first order of business? Declutter and depersonalize. We want potential buyers to envision themselves in the space, not be distracted by our collection of ceramic frogs, right? Think clean and serene, like walking into a beautifully designed model home. Next up, deep cleaning. Scrub those grout lines, polish those floors, and make those windows sparkle like never before. Now let's talk repairs. You know those little nagging things you've been meaning to fix? A leaky faucet here, a creaky floorboard there. Now's the time to tackle them. Buyers will notice, trust me, and it can impact their offer. Don't forget the power of a fresh coat of paint. A fresh, neutral color palette can be transformative. And finally, let's talk curb appeal. Trim those bushes, plant some colorful flowers, maybe add a cute welcome mat. We want potential buyers to fall in love before they even step foot inside. Okay, now that your house is looking like $1 million, it's time to talk numbers. Setting the right price is crucial. You don't want to undervalue your home and leave money on the table, but you also don't want to overprice it and scare away potential buyers. The key here is to find that sweet spot, the price that's attractive to buyers but also reflects the true value of your home. And how do we do that? With a little something called a comparative market analysis, or CMA for short. It helps you compare your home to similar properties or comps that have recently sold in your area. This gives you a realistic idea of what buyers are willing to pay for a home like yours. Websites like Zillow and Redfin are great resources for gathering data on recently sold homes in your neighborhood. But if you want to be extra thorough, it's always a good idea to consult with a real estate professional. They have access to even more detailed market data and can provide valuable insights. Remember, pricing your home competitively from the get-go is key. All right, folks, we've decluttered, we've cleaned, we've staged, and we've set the right price. Now it's time to roll out the red carpet and let the world know that your gorgeous house is ready for its new owners. In today's digital age, marketing your home effectively is all about showcasing its best features online. And the heart of your online presence is going to be those listing photos. Just like a plate of delicious cookies fresh out of the oven, those photos need to be irresistible. Don't even think about using blurry cell phone pictures. We're going for high-quality, professional-grade photos that capture the beauty and charm of your home. A professional photographer knows how to use lighting, angles, and composition to make your home look its absolute best. Trust me, it's worth the investment. Next up, let's talk about crafting a listing description that sings. This isn't the time to be shy or understated. We want to highlight all those amazing features that make your home special. Think about what makes your home unique. Is it the spacious backyard perfect for entertaining? The updated kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances? The cozy fireplace that's just begging for chilly evenings? Websites like Zillow, Realtor.com, and Trulia are your new best friends. And don't underestimate the power of social media. Sharing your listing on your personal Facebook, Instagram, and even LinkedIn pages can help spread the word far and wide. Congratulations, you've made it to the exciting part, showing your home to potential buyers. This is your chance to let your home's personality shine and create a memorable experience for everyone who walks through the door. First things first, flexibility is key. People have busy lives, so be as accommodating as possible when scheduling showings. Weekends are always popular, but don't be afraid to offer weekday evening appointments as well. Now, before each showing, it's time to channel your inner Chip and Joanna and make sure your home is looking its absolute best. Do a quick walkthrough, fluff those pillows, wipe down those counters, and make sure everything is in its place. Let there be light. Open up those curtains, raise those blinds, and turn on all the lights. A bright and airy home feels more welcoming and spacious, and it allows those beautiful features to truly shine. No one wants to wander around a dark and gloomy house. Speaking of welcoming, let's talk about creating an inviting atmosphere. A little bit of ambiance can go a long way in making a positive impression on potential buyers. Consider lighting a scented candle or diffusing some essential oils. Vanilla, cinnamon, and citrus scents are always crowd pleasers. Woohoo, you've got an offer. Now take a deep breath, and let's talk about how to navigate this exciting but sometimes nerve-wracking part of the process. Remember, knowledge is power, and being prepared will help you approach these negotiations with confidence. The first rule of offer negotiations: don't jump the gun. Even if you're over the moon excited about the first offer that comes your way, take your time to carefully review all the details. Remember, an offer involves more than just the purchase price. It also includes things like closing costs, contingencies, and the buyer's financing plan. Now, if you're working with a real estate attorney, and I highly recommend that you do, this is where they really earn their keep. They can help you understand all the ins and outs of the offer, explain any legal jargon, and advise you on the best course of action. Don't be afraid to counter. Negotiation is a two-way street, and it's perfectly acceptable to counter an offer if it's not quite what you had in mind. Remember, you're aiming for a win-win situation, a deal that works for both you and the buyer. During the negotiation process, it's essential to stay calm, be professional, and avoid letting emotions cloud your judgment. One last piece of advice: trust your gut. Congratulations, friend, you've navigated the world of selling your home like a pro, and now you're in the home stretch closing the sale. Don't worry, this part is usually the smoothest, especially with the right guidance. Think of closing as the grand finale, the time to finalize all the details and make everything official. This typically involves signing a whole bunch of paperwork, so be prepared for a bit of a signing marathon. It's crucial to have a clear understanding of all the documents you're signing. Once everything is signed, sealed, and delivered, it's time to celebrate. You did it. You successfully sold your home without a real estate agent, saving yourself thousands of dollars in the process. That's something to be incredibly proud of. And there you have it. Selling your home without a real estate agent is entirely possible with the right preparation and strategy. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to Realty Solutions for more real estate tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your home sale.